All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, and then Mashiach Yahushai. Those are the true names in the ancient Pelican Hebrew, where I swung Joshua tongue. And I say, walk down to the elders, and apostles, and I say, Shalom. And this is a recent news article from English.news.cn from Zinghow Net, published by sources Zinghow, an editor, Hawizia, if I pronounced that right, as of June 24th, 2025, at 10:11 time. And it says a 6.5 magnitude quake hits the East Philippines Islands GFZ says. It says Hong Kong on June 24th from Zhuhai, a earthquake with a magnitude of 6.5 drops east of the Philippines Islands at 1:58:08 GMT time on Tuesday. The GFC German Research Center for Geoscience says. It says the epicenter was a depth of 10 kilometers, was initially determined to be at 7.97 degrees and low latitude of 129.83 degrees east of latitude. And this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, Yahweh Shai speaking in red letter to the Holy Scriptures in the book of Luke 21 verse 11 reads, "A great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and frequent sights and great signs shall be in heaven." Right, so we're definitely going to be seeing increasing of a high magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what we're seeing increasing on an everyday basis, especially increasing of the magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places. So we're seeing the increasing uptick of earthquakes around the world in diverse places. So we're going to see more signs of that. And this is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 28. Isaiah 29, verse 6. I meant to say. Yeah, this is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. It says, "Thou shalt be visit of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and of earthquake, and great winds, some storms, and tempests, and flaming by fire." Right, so the increasing uptake of earthquakes in diverse places, that's the key word, which is the earthquakes. So we're definitely going to see earthquakes in diverse places. This is Isaiah chapter 28, verse 2. It says, "Behold, Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one, with a tempest of a hail and a strong sword, as a flood of mighty waters shall cast down to the earth with that hand." Right, so that's the one of the conditions that we're going to be seeing, especially with the uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. This is the book of Psalms, chapter 18, verse 7. It says, "Then I heard shook and trembled, and the foundations also the things who moved, shaking flesh and blood." Right, so we're going to be seeing an increasing uptick with the earthquakes in diverse places, and the great shakings with these earthquakes, and that's what we're seeing around the world. So we're going to see more increasing signs of a high magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places. This is the book of Matthew, chapter 24. Yeah, Matthew 24, verse 7. It says, "For nation shall rise against nation, and the kingdom against kingdom. And there should be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places." Right, that's the key word, earthquakes in diverse places. So that's more visitation from the Heavenly Father visiting this earth with these earthquakes in diverse places. And I'm bring up that second Ezra's. And this is the book of second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 2. It says, "Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time, or in the highest, which the Heavenly Father Yahweh will begin to visit war which you made." First, the Heavenly Father visiting the earth. Now, so whenever what you made with these increasing of earthquakes in diverse places. Second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. It says, "Therefore there should be seen earthquakes and upwards from the world, Right, therefore, there should be seen earthquakes, and that's when they see increasing magnitude of the earthquakes in diverse places. And therefore, there should be seen earthquakes and upwards people going. So with that, hopefully this is edifying with this recent news article. As it says from the zhow.net, from English.news, CN, published by Zhow as of June 24th, 2025. And it says again, 6.5 magnitude quake hits east of Philippines Islands GFZ says. So hopefully this was edifying. And with that, life give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shah, Ba'ashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only God, Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Hamashiach Kabashah. Those are the true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew, I say Barak thumbs and the elders and apostles, Barak and until next time, I say Shabbat.